Union Chemicals Lanka PLC is a public quoted company. We started our operation in 1984. We are a market leading paint binder manufacturer as well as adhesive manufacturer for packaging industry. Our scope is manufacturing of water-based polymer emulsion. That means we are not dealing with any solvent-borne coating. That is our concept because we are more concerned about our environment and health. Union Chemicals have a good long-lasting relationship with National Green Production Centre Sri Lanka. Currently, we have engaged in three basic activities. One is eco-labeling project. Other area is eco-innovation concept. The third one is USEtox tool. In some of the cases, we already able to get rid of those hazardous chemicals and substitute for eco-friendly versions of that similar chemicals. Actually, by using your USEtox tool as an example, is we understood that ammonia is a hazard chemical. We try to use the chemicals which do not have ammonia, evaporate ammonia, which are having some amine groups like MEA. And also, we understood that formaldehyde is a carcinogen material. In some formulations, we reduce those things. In most of the cases, we have understand that the substitutes like glutaraldehyde, sodium benzoate can incorporate it to the formulation instead of formaldehyde. And also we have find out some lead-free yellow pigments for solvent-borne paints. Those are we already substitute, and some are ongoing. That is, we are in a state of transition stage. The top market leaders, they are now trying to get rid of all environment and health hazard chemicals with eco-friendly products. That is an advantageous marketing tool when we are selling our product. We are going with eco-friendly raw materials. Then we promote our water-based good coatings. That is an advantageous for us. Therefore, we also explain customers use USEtox tool to have a better understanding, because we can't explain them all the things. The USEtox tool we implemented for water-based paints as well as solvent-borne paints. For solvent-borne paints, it's USEtox tool we can get inputs and data almost all. For that aspects like wetting agents and dispersing agents, not included in the USEtox tool. Current economic crisis actually slow down for our whole country's business situation. But the person who are engaging in USEtox tool and other sustainability developments, they are conducting. But anyway, for them also there is a bit of constraint, but it's definitely move forward.